So want to try a new exciting recipe of cauliflower this winter season? So do give this no onion garlic recipe a try. This is basically a roasted cauliflower masala. Quick, easy, delicious, and as I said, the best part is that it's a pure sattvic recipe, no onion garlic, so can be made on days with festivities and all. Do try this, you will be in love with the sublime flavor. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English. I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you're new to my page, to subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with this recipe. For this recipe I have taken here one medium size of cauliflower and this florets I have cut into little bit large size. Basically the stem I have just dissected it in this way and slitted it basically 2 to 3 parts, and the whole cauliflower I have cut it into large florets. So a nice and quick easy tip to wash this cauliflower nicely is that I normally dip it in turmeric water for just 2 to 3 minutes in normal tap water with a half teaspoon of turmeric, and after 3 to 4 minutes what happens, I'll just drain the cauliflowers out and I'll show you what was the result. You can actually see the worms or any impurities in cauliflower that will be nicely intact in this turmeric water. So I'll be preparing a masala or a spice paste. Here I have taken some whole coriander seeds, some cumin seeds or jeera, black peppercorns, half an inch of ginger and some fresh green chili. These I need to nicely make a paste using half a cup of water, and to this I will be adding half cup of thick yogurt or curd that goes in, and fresh cream I have added 2 tablespoons, and now I need to mix all these ingredients. I will be mixing nicely with the spices, with this yogurt, and this fresh cream will give a nice base for our cauliflower. That's the basic preparation, nothing much. And to a pan I have added some oil. Firstly I will nicely roast this cauliflower for around 4 to 5 minutes. Not basically roast, I am sauteing this cauliflower for around 4 to 5 minutes, and once light coloration starts on the florets in this way, I will be adding the potatoes to this cauliflower. Basically I have taken potato wedges. I have taken 2 medium to large size potatoes. I have peeled them and cut into wedges. I will be adding some salt and nicely saute for more 2 to 3 minutes. So basically the cauliflower needs just 7 to 8 minutes on medium high flame, and then I will take out this cauliflower from the pan. So basically they have this lovely caramelized color, nice coloration, and after I have separated this cauliflower florets, now I will be roasting these potatoes for more 2 to 3 minutes till they are slightly roasted and have a beautiful color on top of it. It will take more 2 to 3 minutes. So in 10 minutes my cauliflower and potatoes are nicely roasted in the oil, and in this flavored oil I will be adding little bit more amount of oil, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons more, and to this I will be adding some whole spices. So here goes some oil, and yes, I have added some clarified butter or ghee. If you want to avoid ghee in this recipe, that's completely okay, but if you add ghee it gives a very nice flavor. So I'd always recommend to add a little bit amount of ghee. The whole spices goes in for tempering, and it's very important at this point reduce the flame, and I'll be adding just 1 pinch of turmeric. Make sure the turmeric amount should be just 1 pinch, and the masala paste or spice paste that we had prepared that goes in at this stage. Now increase the flame and I'll be roasting this for around 4 to 5 minutes more, and then I'll be adding the roasted potatoes. This goes in at this stage. Just give it a mix for few seconds, and then I'll reduce the flame to medium, cover it and leave it for 4 to 5 minutes till the oil starts to separate at the base. And then goes the roasted cauliflower at this stage. Do not forget the delicious drippings. It has all the loaded flavors. Give it a mix on medium high flame for 3 to 4 minutes till the cauliflower starts to absorb the flavors. Then at this stage I will be adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. Sugar I will be adding half a teaspoon for flavoring balance, and salt. Do check the quantity of salt and adjust accordingly. Give it a mix. Reduce the flame to lowest, cover it and let it simmer for just 6 to 7 minutes more. So basically this delicious recipe has all the flavors of the spices with the cauliflower, the yogurt. So this tastes divine. I have removed the bay leaves and will give it a mix now. I had already stirred 2 to 3 times in between. So this looks perfect to me. The potatoes are done and the cauliflowers, they are still intact, yet they are nicely done. I have added at this stage one medium size of capsicum that was sauted in just normal oil, some garam masala powder, and I have added some Kasoori Methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Give it a mix. You can see the preparation is nice, dry, and it just looks lovely. That's it, nothing to do more. Lastly, I'll add some fresh red chilli. These are the ripe ones that gives very nice flavors. And I have served this delicious roasted cauliflower with some rice, some dal, and here is one of my favorites, preparation of saag or called amaranthus. And here comes my cauliflower, the star recipe of today. Lovely, delicious, nutritious, easy and loaded with flavors. To try this easy peasy, no onion, garlic, cauliflower, potato roast recipe. Lastly, the flavor of this sauted capsicum gives a very nice zing to the recipe. Do not forget to add them and enjoy this recipe with all the flavors in winter season. I hope you have loved the video. If you have liked the video, do give it thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.